What do we do for a living, my friend?
I am a therapist for kids.
And you work from home.
Yeah, and I
A
work
lot of
from
the
home.
computer work.
A lot of computer.
A lot of computer sitting.
Yes.
So what are we treating today?
Neck and shoulders.
Neck and shoulders. No
Yeah.
funny business in the hands?
No,
Awesome.
not too bad, yeah.
Let's get this taken care of. One more, okay? Perfect. And same thing on this side. Oh, that was
It was a
beautiful.
big one.
Yeah, let's go onto your side.
Okay.
Awesome. Let's go to the other side. How can you get massages?
Once a month?
Once a month?
Yeah.
We just got lucky today, huh?
Yep.
Awesome. There we go.
Ooh, cracking before this time.
Oh yeah, things are moving. All right, my friend. Big bear hug. Everybody should be hugged at least once a day. At least my version of a hug. Perfect. Let's sneak right in here. Perfect. And same thing on this side. Awesome. Shall we take care of your feet?
That'd be great.
Hold on for dear life. Perfect. And we do the same thing on the other side. All right. I'm going to ask you to take care of your shoes first, all right? Take them off. All right. So it moves here, not so much the other way. Let's give it a nice little pull. One more. There we go. There we go.
Ooh, definitely felt that one.
Yeah. And this one needs a little more of a whoomp to it. There we go. Do we need to take care of your shoulders too here? Since that's what gets affected the most while you're sitting on the computer.
That would be great. Would love that.
There we go. Nice and easy. Relax. I'll get back to you, I promise. There we go. There we go.
Told you I'd struggle to relax.
Yeah, what is that word? Most people don't know that word at all. There we go. All right. Perfect. Move around, see how I feel?
I'm good. Yeah.
Good. Do we need to address anything else?
No? Feel good?
Okay.
Yeah.